Hey y'all, imagine this. You're riding the bus home from high school and suddenly the driver slams on the brakes. You look out the window and see a grown man with his hands around a teenage girl's throat, right at a public bus stop. Kids are screaming, bystanders jumping in, and the man, he doesn't let go. This isn't a movie, it's not a dramatic reenactment. This happened outside Timberline High School in the state of Washington, and the trial just kicked off for the people accused of doing it. Fatima Ali's own parents, Ihsan and Zahraa Ali. Let's break down day one of this deeply disturbing case. There's surveillance video, eyewitnesses, and a courtroom grappling with the horrifying allegation that this was an attempted honor killing. The state of Washington is prosecuting Ihsan and Zahraa Ali, the mother and father of Fatima Ali, for allegedly attacking their 17-year-old daughter in broad daylight. According to prosecutors, this wasn't just a violent outburst. It was a premeditated attempt to kill their daughter because she rejected an arranged marriage. The term honor killing is being used throughout coverage, though the judge has barred that phrase from being said in court to avoid prejudicing the jury. The incident took place outside Timberline High School on October 18, 2024. Fatima had run from home and gone to school seeking help. Her parents allegedly found her waiting at a public bus stop, and that's when things exploded. Prosecutor Olivia Zoe opened strong, telling jurors that what Fatima Ali endured was nothing short of attempted murder by her own father. She described how students witnessed Ihsan Ali choke his daughter so violently she went pale. Fatima reportedly ran from home screaming, "My dad is trying to kill me." Defense attorney Eric Kading, representing Ihsan Ali, countered that the parents were simply trying to bring their daughter home. He argued the entire case hinges on video footage and that eyewitness testimony could be inconsistent. Zahraa Ali's attorney added that this was a family matter gone wrong, not attempted murder. The first witness, John DeNicola, was driving Route 68 that afternoon. As he pulled up to Timberline High, he saw what looked like a scuffle. He assumed it was students fighting. But as he got closer, he realized it wasn't a fight. It was a man choking a teenage girl, dragging her to the ground while other students tried to stop him. DeNicola blasted his horn and eventually got out of the bus to intervene. But Ihsan didn't stop. He stayed locked in on his daughter, silent, ignoring punches from students trying to save her. Officer Sopal Hing was the first law enforcement officer to arrive. He described a chaotic scene, a crowd of students, a male subject, later ID'd as Ihsan Ali, pinning his daughter to the ground. And here's the twist. Officer Hing had already had contact with Ihsan earlier that same day. He'd gone to the family's house because Ihsan had reported Fatima as a runaway. Just hours later, he's called back to find the same man choking her at a bus stop. Next up was Josh Wagner, who was driving by with his wife Mary when he saw what looked like a group fight. He thought it was kids until he realized it was one grown man attacking a teenage girl. He pulled over and ran in, helping pull Ihsan off of Fatima. He testified that Ihsan never would have stopped if bystanders hadn't physically intervened. Wagner said he heard someone scream, "She couldn't expletive breathe, dude." The final witness of day one was Officer Justin Beltran, a school resource officer with Lacey PD. He got the call as the chaos unfolded. He testified about the massive crowd, the confusion, and how Fatima had clearly been attacked. He also located a second teen, Fatima's boyfriend, who had visible injuries after trying to fight Ihsan off of her. Beltran described Fatima as terrified, shaken, and struggling to breathe. His testimony gave even more weight to the bus footage jurors had already seen. Whew. Day one was intense, emotional, and honestly hard to watch at times. The prosecution laid out a clear narrative. Fatima was trying to escape her parents' control. The moment she stood up for herself, she was allegedly choked in public, right in front of students, teachers, and strangers. And it didn't stop until brave bystanders pulled her attacker off. The defense is leaning on video versus memory, suggesting eyewitnesses might have misunderstood what was happening. But with multiple people all saying the same thing and bus footage backing it up, that's going to be an uphill climb. The phrase honor killing may not be spoken in court, but it's hanging on every word. We'll be watching every day of this trial, and y'all, it's only just begun. And that's it for this recap. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching and supporting me. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss any of my recaps. And remember, stay safe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.